Ever heard of the Mack R600? It's this legendary truck that ruled the roads from 1966 to 2005. Picture this, a classic, powerful machine with a diesel engine that could probably haul a mountain. It's no wonder it became a trucking icon. It's the epitome of reliability and top-notch performance. The Meebor's fastest horizontal bandsaw is a game changer. It's setting new benchmarks in horizontal sawing, proven by installations worldwide. Just watch it in action. You'll totally get why it's earned that title. With an 8-inch blade and 52-inch wheels, powered by a 100 GP motor, it delivers precision and speed. The hands-free control system optimizes cutting dimensions, while fast return speed and complete log positioning boost efficiency and yield. Single and twin cutting options make it adaptable to any production need. Roads are the lifeline of timber operations. A well-built road ensures a steady supply of timber, keeping the industry humming. Witness the precision of bulldozer operators as they carve out robust roads on challenging mountain terrain. It's a testament to their skill and the critical role of infrastructure in sustainable forestry. Say goodbye to blistered hands and bulky log splitters. The Croco Log Splitter is here to revolutionize your firewood experience. Mounted on your excavator, this powerful tool delivers unmatched flexibility and convenience. Stay warm in your cab, control your excavator like a video game. You'll be amazed at how much firewood you can create with just a few simple movements. Guess what I just found? An awesome wood chipper, the Gens Terminal Hem 922DL. This machine has a 900 feet opening. It devours everything like a hungry monster. You can take it anywhere, from ports to power plants. It's like an adventure. And don't worry about moving it. It can travel at 80 kilometers per age and works with large wheel loaders. It's always ready to hit the road. The 812 GP Caterpillar engine is just mind-blowing. 500 revolutions per minute continuously. The power is like a tornado. It's so exciting, isn't it? Imagine a giant steel monster roaring in the middle of the forest. That's the timber truck, the unsung hero of the industry. Every trip is a battle, but it never backs down. Amazing!
Лайк, Тёмычу огроменный.
Ever wondered what a day in the life of a log truck driver looks like? Well, buckle up, folks. We're about to get an exclusive behind-the-scenes look at Darren Warren's workday, hauling timber on his McCarthy Transport Kenworth T659. It's not just a job, it's an adventure. The timber arrived at Port Taranaki, New Plymouth, and Darren's job was done. It's amazing how smoothly everything went. Bet it feels good to complete a long haul like that. Do you think driving a logging truck is fun? Oh my goodness, my heart was pounding. I thought that truck was gonna tip over for sure. Talk about a nail biter. Oh, the memories, the rumble of the Pacific P-16 echoing through the forest, the smell of freshly cut timber, the camaraderie of the crew. Those were the days when men were men and trucks were built to last. The P-16 was more than just a truck. It was a part of our lives, a symbol of a bygone era. Have you ever seen a forestry trailer dance? Well, the Gepima MP20 comes pretty close. Its clever steering axle lets it twist and turn like a pro, conquering any terrain. And that top lift crane? It's like a gentle giant, lifting logs with grace and power. Plus, this trailer is built tough, ready to tackle any challenge. The Gepima MP20 is redefining timber transport, one smooth move at a time. What do you think about this innovative trailer? The driver exhibited exceptional control, but the real star was the cat operator. Their ability to maintain balance and execute precise movements while being pulled showcases a high level of skill and countless hours of practice. The Tiger Cat 635E skidder, with its fancy Twinch 10.1 system, is a real workhorse in the logging world. It can handle all sorts of terrain and haul a whopping 30 tons of logs at once. The Twinch tech makes it even better on steep slopes, giving it extra pulling power. All in all, the 635E is one of the best logging machines out there.